Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do slider knee tucks. For slider knee tucks, we want to take and put our toe in the center of the slider, come down into plank position with our wrists underneath our shoulders. From here, hold in plank position, keeping our hips stationary, bring the knees into the elbows, and back out. Now there's a quick tutorial for our slider knee tucks. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Slider knee tucks, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.